Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. It's a little bit hard to tell, but this guy is in black forest green. When the sun hits it, it does look very nice and green. You do have some chrome accenting on the front as well as the chrome bumper. Looks fantastic. You do have halogen quad headlights here, and they are very bright as well. And coming around the side here, we do have 17-inch rims with our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. Still lots of tread left on them. They look great. And you do have that Hemi logo there, as well as some heated exterior mirrors right there in the black. And coming all the way to the back, we do have a 5-foot box here and a chrome bumper back here as well. Now you can open this guy up. It is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle, and it looks fantastic. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you got your panic button right there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. Now, on the inside here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out here. You got your handle here, and you got some storage down here as well. It is a very nice interior here, very spacious and comfortable as well. These seats are very nice. You do have the controls over your lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams all hanging out there. And then right here we do also have the controls over our high beams, our turning signals, and our windshield wipers. Okay, let's get going here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. In the center there it also says how many kilometers we have, which is only 17,000, not very many at all. It also tells us the temperature outside and which way we're facing. Now we can switch that up from our speedometer to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B, trailer tow, messages, screen setup, or you can turn the menu off if it is too bright for you. Now you also have your controls right here. That's for those guys in the middle. You also have your voice recognition and your call out button for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. This guy here is our gear shift, just like that. And we also have a 5-inch touchscreen display here, so you have AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there. Plus you do have your media devices here if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You also have your phone options here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, your compass, your settings, and you also have your more. You have your volume up and down with your mute, your screen off, your back button, and you also have the button for your browser right there. Right over here we do have the control over our 4-wheel lock, our 4-wheel low, and our 2-wheel. And then right over here in our climate control we do have our hazard lights. We have the power up and down with the circulation. You have your AC here and your heat. You also right over here have the where it's going to blow out of plus the defrosts. Then right here we do have our trailer brake, we have our traction control, our tow and haul mode, bit of additional storage just in there. And in the center here you do have your armrest, which doubles as a storage container. You got some coin holders here. You also have a USB and an aux cord plug-in right there. And then we can also close this guy up and lift this up. You got another seat right under there, so it does seat 6 people all together. And over here we have a top layer and a bottom layer for our glove boxes with our owner's manual inside of it. Take a look in the back here now. Open this guy up. On the door here we do have the control over our windows. We got our handle, another handle here, and some storage down here. It is a crew cab, so lots of room back here. It looks fantastic. Same material on the seats. You can also lift this guy up, and there is some additional storage just underneath there. Plus you got your cup holders and some additional storage right here. And there's the legendary 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.